Meet Jonathan, a Structure Power user. He's a senior program manager at a mid-enterprise telecommunication company. Jonathan oversees and runs multiple programs, so his main job is coordinating activities between projects, programs, and deliveries. One structure feature he loves to use is called quick transformations. Also known as quick filters or quick groupers, quick transformations let you apply temporary changes on top of an existing hierarchy. In Jonathan's case, quick transformations make his job a lot easier. Specifically, it helps him to 1. Fine-tune his portfolio view, 2. Zero in on particular sections of his work scope, and 3. Quickly change focus on different aspects of work operations by hiding unrelated parts. Let's find out how to use quick transformations, like Jonathan does. First, your view must already be set up with everything you need. So you have a hierarchy, and you have all supplementary information in your columns. But what if you want to quickly look at just a subset of this information? Maybe you need to zoom in on the work assigned to a particular person. Or you want to look at items that are unresolved and need some attention. One way to do this is to rebuild the hierarchy with new automation generators. But it would be a bit overwhelming to do this work each time when you only need to quickly look at something. Enter quick transformations. They are similar to generators in that they both make changes to hierarchies, but generator changes are permanent and everyone who views the structure sees them, while quick transformations are applied after automation rules and are only applied locally. So multiple users can work with the same structure and apply their own set of quick transformations without disturbing each other. Let's look at an example of quick transformations in action. We'll add 2 groupers, by assignee and by status. We can quickly switch between these to look at the same set of work from different angles, from the resource allocation view or from the status view. Let's also add an unresolved filter so we can look at which items in the hierarchy have yet to be resolved. Now let's create another example. Say we have multiple teams working on this scope, and we want to quickly switch between their work to see how they're progressing and if there are any bottlenecks. To do that, we'll create a new quick filter based on the teams field. This filter will be for team structure. Now we can see what this team is working on and which items are currently unresolved. Let's add a filter for another team. This time it'll be for Team Gantt. We can easily zoom in on their particular scope. If I enable filters for both teams together, I can see the intersection of their work. This specific epic is assigned to one team, but the children are assigned to another team. This means that both teams are contributing to it and are responsible for its outcome. As you can see, quick transformations allow you to have the most commonly used filters and groupers right at your fingertips, and only you can see them. You can quickly switch focus between different contexts without going through multi-step scope adjustment. So if you want to be a structure power user like Jonathan, try using quick transformations to reorganize or filter your issues with a single click.